This video, I'm gonna teach a very useful tutorial on how to fix the Control C is not working in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. So the very first method that I would suggest is to restart your computer. Yes, restart your computer by navigating at the start icon. Go with your power menu options and restart because in some cases, whenever they face an error which is and Control C is not working, and the moment they restart your PC, the problem will be fixed. Okay, so try to restart your PC, and once you have restarted it, try to check if your Control C is not working. However, if not, then you need to proceed to the second method, and that is you need to enable the Control C in the command prompt. So how we can do such, please navigate at the bottom search bar here, type for CMD. Once you've typed it, a best match should appear, which is a command prompt system. All you need to do is you need to navigate with Run as Administrator. Now, if you would receive a notification where your role is asking you to say yes, simply proceed with yes so that you can give permission on running the command prompt as administrator. So from here, please make a right click on this area, Grow with Properties, and ensure that this for edit option is being checked. Okay? Especially this enable control key shortcuts. Once done, click on OK and restart your computer. Once you've restarted it, try to check if your problem has been fixed. However, if not, then we need to move on to the third method, and that is we need to update the driver. How we can do so? Please navigate at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up, and click on the device manager. Okay, so here at the device manager, we need to navigate with the keyboard. Okay, please select the keyboard, click on this forward arrows, then it will show you the keyboard driver. Make a right click and go with update driver. So please proceed first with the automatically search for driver, and if your machine says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then click on this backward arrow to show the previous page and go with browse my computer for drivers manually. Here you need to tap on the let me pick from a list of available drivers and click on this one to install or reinstall or update your keyboard driver. Once done, please restart your computer, and once you have restarted it, to check if your Control C is working. However, if then we need to move on to the last method, and that is we need to uninstall the keyboard driver. So how we can do so, make a right click here at the start icon, scroll up and click on the device manager. Once this same window would appear, please proceed to the keyboards, click on this forward arrow, go with keyboard driver, make a right click with and go with uninstall device. Click on uninstall, but that doesn't mean that you can no longer use your keyboard. I mean, you can still use it because all you need to do is you need to restart it. And once you have restarted it, it will be automatically installed again, meaning you have reinstalled it in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So try to check if your Control C is not working. So those are the simplest steps on how to fix your problem. If those steps help you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.